A very good morning to all of you students. As you all know, we are doing chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So, continue with our chapter. So, today's topic is HCF. So, what is the full form of HCF? What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. And we know that there are two methods for finding the HCF. So first method is long division method and second method is prime factorization method. In this class we will study about the first method of HCF, means long division method. What is long division method and how will we apply on questions? So what is long division method? In this method we will divide the greater number by the smaller number, and whatever will be the remainder, whatever we get remainder, it will be the divisor of the next step, and the previous divisor is the dividend of next step, and after that we will divide same as first step. So continue like this, we will divide until the remainder get 0, for I will understand with the example. So I will take an example. Find the HCF of 144, 32 and 180. 144, 32 and 80. We have to find the HCF of 144, 32 and 180 by the long division method. In the division method, we can divide only two numbers. We cannot divide three numbers at a time, one times. So we can divide only two numbers at a time. So firstly we will take two numbers. We can take any two numbers. So I will take 180 and 144. I will take 180 and 144. So I will take 180 and 144. In the long division method, we will divide the greater number. The greater number is 180 and the smaller number is 144. We will divide the greater number by the smaller number. So 180 is the dividend. And the smaller number is the divisor. So we will divide 180 by the 144. So if we multiply 144, it goes into one time. And I subtract 10 minus 4, we get 6. Here is 7 minus 4, we get 36. So now remainder is 36. So this will be not a 0, remainder is not 0. So we will continue our steps. Now it becomes the divisor, means 36 is the divisor and the previous divisor will become the dividend. Previous divisor will become the dividend of the next step. So it will become the dividend of this step, means I wrote it here. I hope you understood. If we divide 180 by 144, it goes into one time 144. I subtracted 10 minus 4, we get 6, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So it will become the divisor of the next step, and the previous divisor will become the dividend. So if we divide 144 by the 36, it goes for the 4 times. If we 36 goes 4 times, so become 140. 36 4 ja 144. 144 minus 144 means 4. I subtract here. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Means remainder is 0. So remainder is 0. Then we see that this is the last divisor. This is the last divisor. So 36 is the, we see for the HCF, we see the last divisor of the numbers. So the last divisor of the numbers is 36, because 36 is the last divisor. So 36 is the HCF of 36 is the HCF of 180 and 144. 36 is the HCF of 180 and 144. It is not the HCF of 144, 32 and 180. So this is the HCF of only 2 numbers, but we have to find the HCF of 3 numbers. We left 32. So in the next step, we take 32 and the last divisor. We take 32 and 36. Means we take 32 and the last divisor. Last divisor is 36 and the left number is 32. So we write it here. 36 is the last divisor, and we write the left number. So left number is 32. In both the numbers, which number is greater? Means we have to find the HCF of both the numbers. So we choose which number is greater. Means 36 is the greater number. So we write it here. 36 is the greater number and 32 is the smaller number. So we will divide 36 by the 32. We will divide 36 by the 32. It goes into one time. It goes into one time. 32 1 ja 32. 6. I subtracted. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So this will so remainder is 4. So it will be the divisor of the next step. It will be the divisor of the next step, and the previous divisor will become the dividend. So previous divisor is 32. So it will become the dividend. Now we divide 32 by 4. 4 it will goes 4 8 ja means 8 times. 4 8 ja 32. So 32 minus 32 is 0. Means remainder is 0. Now we see that the last divisor is 4. Last divisor is 4. So 4 is the HCF of 144, 32 and 180. 4 is the HCF of 144, 32 and 180. I hope you understood how to find the HCF by the long division method.